What if I told you that you were capable of making 5 to 6 grand in the next 30 to 60 days? Would you call me a liar? Would you call me out on my bluff? What if I told you that not only could you make 5 to 6 grand in the next 30 to 60 days, but you could do that monthly for as long as you wanted or more? What if I told you that you could do it all free? Well, I'm going to back up my claim and I'm going to show you how you can do it, right? So, what you're going to do is you're going to use free traffic sources to get people to subscribe to an email list, a YouTube channel, something along that lines. And you're going to funnel them into some sort of Facebook group where they're going to pay you $50 a month. You need 100 people, just 100 people to give you $50 a month. Do you think you could do that? Do you think that you're capable of doing that? What if I told you right now, I'm going to give you the tools to make you capable of doing that in the next 30 to 60 days, right? Well, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that for you. I'm going to give you what's called the bird's eye view, right? I'm going to give you the 10,000 foot overhead process. Okay. This isn't a down and dirty kind of thing. This is just an overview on how you can do it and how it is 100% possible. All right. So, how do we do this all? Well, first off, you're going to need traffic. And since this is virtually free, you're going to want free traffic, right? So the sources, I have a bunch of free sources. My number one sources that I always look for with free traffic is forums. Forums are simply amazing. Now, I'm in the make money online niche. So, of course, I would look for um, forums in the make money online niche. Now, this is one of the biggest internet forums, internet marketing forums there is. And I was able to generate over 50,000 post views to my different posts without asking for anybody to subscribe to my channel, without asking anybody to buy anything, basically zero self promotion. And um, it was very difficult not to even accidentally ask somebody not to subscribe to your channel in a video or any of that kind of stuff. Now, this is the make money section of the Black Hat World Forum, and I'm just looking for um, a post or two that I can give you to show you an example. A lot of my posts have recently fallen off the top list because I haven't been keeping up on my part. But as you can see, here's one post right here, and this is a part two. It's gotten almost 5,000 views, 41 replies, right? And that's one of my lesser posts that didn't get as great of a reception because it was a part two. Here's another one, 2,000 view, almost 3,000 views, and this has a companion video with it, right? Here's one of my better posts method: how to make $100 a day with Google Slides, 100% free worldwide. It got 24,000 views, and that video ended up getting, I don't know, somewhere around 20,000 watch time minutes and views and all that kind of stuff. Here's another one: how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, proof showing, almost 25,000 views. You get the point. So forums are simply amazing. Forums should be your number one focus, and I go into this in depth in my Facebook group as well as the course that I'll be coming out with. So, what's next? The next one is Facebook groups. If you didn't figure that out from looking at the tab above here, I'm sorry. Um, but basically, what you're going to do is you're going to go into groups for whatever your niche is, and you're going to join a bunch of them, right? Don't join so many of them. Facebook's going to ban you, but you join 5 a day or whatever for the next 10 days. You'll have 50 groups that you'll be able to network in. Spend a couple days in each one of these groups as you join them, and then you can start promoting whatever you particularly want, whether it be a YouTube channel or funnel people into an email list. All right. So as you can see here, this is my particular branded Facebook group, and a lot of you guys are members of this as you're watching here. But This is where I go over in-depth case studies, and I'm building up this Facebook group to help have a center so that I can talk directly with my subscribers, as well as a place to promote my videos as well. But what you can do is use other people's groups and build your own in the same process. But this is another really, really powerful way to use Facebook to promote whatever you're trying to. Next one, Instagram. People love Instagram. I don't know why. I'm not a huge fan of Instagram, but people love it. So Gary Vee is one of the bigger internet marketers in my niche, right? So what I would do is I would follow Gary Vee, and then I would click on Gary Vee's 6.3 million followers here, and I would just start following his followers, right? I could follow each one of these, and a certain percentage of them will follow back, right? Then that, with using some well researched hashtags and some really good content, you should be able to build up an Instagram account of 100,000, 10,000, 20,000, whatever you're looking for, relatively quickly. Within the next, I would say, if you dedicated some really good hard time to it, you should be able to have 20,000 followers within the next 6 months. The next source is Reddit. I absolutely love Reddit. It can murder you, though. They can smell an affiliate link or a promotion a mile away, so just be careful. Make sure that you're doing it correctly. I go over all this in my course, as well as I have some videos on it on the YouTube channel here. So as you can see here, I've posted videos, I've commented, I've gotten a lot of feedback. You get a lot of people telling you basically stuff it, you're just promoting stuff, blah, blah, blah. But Reddit is another really, really good source, and I've gotten a pretty good percentage. I don't use Reddit as much because of the niche that I'm in. It's a little bit more difficult. But in this niche, I've used it for gaming, I've used it for addiction, I've used it for a couple other niches, and it works out pretty well. My next source here is Quora. Quora.com is a question answer site. And basically, people ask questions, you respond, and the name of the game is respond and link back to whatever you're trying to promote. So if you're trying to link back to an email list, you would give them an opt-in. If you're linking back to a video, give them a YouTube link. So this is my all-time. I've had this account for a couple years, but I really only started using it in the last year. And I've gotten almost 20,000 views, 160 upvotes, and 5 shares. Nothing crazy, but again, I don't dedicate a huge amount of time to this, right? So how do I do all this? I actually do this all with a software called Builderall. It basically has everything that you could possibly think of, and it's only $30 a month. So know this, I'm not pitching you on this. I'm not going to put an affiliate link in or anything like that. But basically, you have a website builder, an autoresponder for email. They have different stuff for basically your graphics, even something to auto post to Facebook pages and different stuff. A share locker, which basically you have to share the content to be able to look at it. That's great. E-learning, this is how you make online courses, and I'm actually utilizing this right now. App creator, make your own apps. E-commerce stores for people that are doing like Shopify and different stuff. As you can see, there's just tons of stuff to do. You got animated video, photo videos, SEO stuff, scripts, social proof. Really, really great format. So highly suggest that. This is a little bit of, this is my back office right here. And I've got some stuff here that I'm interested in that I'm working with. And then I've got my course right here that I've started. That'll probably end up being about 10 different modules. It'll be an A to B or A to Z, 100% teaching you everything that you could possibly want. Basically leaves no stone unturned except paid traffic. I don't go into any paid traffic in this course, but it will literally take you from zero to hero in the fast lane. So obviously I'm not going to guarantee anything because I don't know you. I can't guarantee how well you're going to work through all that. But basically what you would end up doing is you can either funnel all this free traffic into a YouTube channel and you can promote on there and you can get subscribers and you can post videos, or you can use it to create an email list, right? And basically, what you would do is you would use this Pixel Perfect Builder, and you would build essentially a one-page landing site where people would put in their email address, and you would give them something like a PDF file or a checklist, something that they that has pretty good value that they'd be willing to give you their email address for. Once they give you their email address, then you would mail them, every day, and every third or so email you would pitch them on something to sell, right? And in this case, you would probably pitch them on the Facebook group. So you want that residual income of that 5 to 6K, and this is how you would do it. So you would get them on your email list, and every third or so email, you would literally say, "Hey guys, if you want more in-depth, step-by-step guides on everything, join my private Facebook group where you get me, you get my webinar once a week, you get to ask exclusive questions and learn from the master himself. And only so many people are allowed in this group. I'm only accepting 100 people into this group. So make sure that you're on that list so that you can learn from the master." And that's how you do it. So basically, you would need to get about 30 people a day to hit that 5K to 5K to 6K in the next 30 to 60 days. So you need 30 people in a day. Roughly, you're going to get about 1,000 people into your email list or into your YouTube channel in the next roughly 30 days. And that's where you're going to be able to get that 100 people. So it's not impossible. You can definitely do it. You can do it for free, well, almost free. Builderall does have a trial. I think it is a 30-day trial. Could be a 15-day trial. And then after that, it's $30 a month. So $30 is to create a business like this. Is not a bad investment. Even if you were to only get a couple people and make a couple sales, you literally paid for your thing that month. You paid for your bill for Builderall that month. So you paid your subscription. It was definitely well worth it. So I think that this method is spectacular for anybody that's new, that really wants to learn and get in there. And basically all you have to do is use these free traffic sources, get a couple people to opt in. And the great thing is you only need 5 to 10 people from each one of these different sources every day. So that's not that difficult to do. You can, and with forums, you have a ton of forums. So, I mean, it's more than just one traffic source. So there are tons of different ways that you can actually do this. And I'm leaving out one of the biggest sources, YouTube. I didn't even go into that because that's a completely different beast. SEO is another different beast. There's a whole bunch of different other ways that you can do this. So, guys, I really hope that you liked this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. If you're not in the Facebook group, you will not get the really cool extra added on stuff that you're entitled to. So make sure that you join the Facebook group. It is Wealth Attitude. Do a search on there, or most likely the link will be in the description. And guys, I will see you in the next video.